Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Notion to make.com or make connection with Notion. So basically, the first thing that I want to do is to simply create a fresh scenario on my make.com account. So from here, of course, you want to click on the module, which is the plus icon, and inside you then want to search for Notion. Basically, inside Notion, we have multiple actions to go ahead and choose from. For example, get a database item, create a database item, and more. Now, in my case, I want to simply update a page on my Notion right here. So to proceed, you can just click on the create connection. And if you have your Notion database public or internal, you can just go ahead and select that right here. And from there, you then want to name this the way you want to, and then you want to paste the internal integration token. So from there, you just want to navigate through your Notion account, simply click on your basic information, and from there, you will be able to go ahead and see the integrations tab right here. Inside integrations, you can just click on the plus icon, and from there, we can then modify this the way we want to, like getting the token right here. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.